All right, what is up, you Degens? How we doing? Join us. Let's get after it today. Today is May 3rd, 2022. Golden Goose Strat again. Oh, shit. We're getting after it on a absolutely new ticker today because we are just continuously seeing if this will work as a reliable strat. So, without further ado, let's get into it. We are going to check out Snap pre-market. We're going to set up the fibs and then see what happens the rest of the day. So, as I mentioned, this is pre-market on Snap. So, we are going to test out the Golden Goose Strategy again. Wanted to start out with a ticker that I have not played before in terms of trading so that we can really test this out. I really do believe that Golden Goose is an awesome strat, but it is a little bit of trial and error. So when I'm going in and I'm looking at this for the first time, again, I'm going to the 3-month time frame, and I'm looking for the big extreme moves, swing high to swing low to swing high, and then the most recent extreme. Right after market open, first things that we see on Snap, pretty relevant, is that it went up to this line that I alerted and got immediately rejected. So I don't like to trade immediately as things open. So waiting to see exactly what happens, kind of see how everything shakes out first before jumping into anything. Puts would have paid. All right, well, if we played this, it happened pretty much perfectly. A rejection off of 2 fibs overlapping, which I said was a very strong area of support or resistance and a key level. Said I should have taken puts. Didn't, because it was immediately as the market was opening, but it would have paid. Okay, so this kind of played out perfectly in terms of my zones that I had in confluence with the Golden Goose Strat. So it basically just hit my zone, got support, went back up. Didn't touch the fib that I had down here in terms of a key level, but you're seeing things start to play out a little bit. So it's going to come up here and test this area, and we'll see what kind of happens at that point. Okay, so it came up here to this level. It went past this fib, but it's getting rejected right now. Waiting to see what this candle does since it's earlier in the candle. May jump into something depending on what happens, but gonna wait and see. We saw this play out almost perfectly, but it was right at open. I didn't take it. And so now we are waiting to see kind of the next setup. One thing I did like seeing, or kind of signals at least a potential move, is the crossover of the 9 and the 21 EMA. I'm taking a call. All right, so my justification here is basically came down. It got support from this key area here, and then it also went, MACD went bullish. Same with the EMAs crossing. Got support from the other EMAs. Got support from this key level and also one of my zones. Kind of looked like a flag was forming there too. So I took a call, a little bit out of the money, but all right. So QQQ here, another pretty good setup in terms of the Golden Goose Strategy. So came down here, it got support here, it also got support here, and now it is rising. We need some volume confirmation on this side of things. I did take a call here. There's a move we were looking for. All right, so what's setting up here on SPY? Huge rejection. Gonna wait and see what happens. All right, I'm taking 414 put right there. But with the Golden Goose strategy, with a setup like this, major rejection off of a golden pocket area, volume confirmation. So we'll see what happens. Oh, okay. Well, all right. I still like puts. I still am in my 414 put. Didn't hit my stop loss. What are those? Here comes the move, baby. This is why we don't use stop losses. Who doggy? Got one for profits. All right, so now we are waiting to see exactly what happens here, volume-wise. Everything looks good, obviously. Right now we are up 35%. All right, and I'm out.